old video there was no voice. This should be fine, so I'll be just voice overing and going through the video again, so that we can I'll just voice over this video so that we know that everything is working. So first of all, our task was to analyze the YouTube views and comments. So we used the settings which were given to us, and we used the wait, and we used the imports to import everything that we needed. After which we cleaned and prepared the data. For that, we imported and then we loaded the YouTube and comments and views. For this, we did another thing. We created a key back in YouTube and we imported it over here. I think we did that for HD as well, or we did that for HD. So first of all, we used the print command to print whatever we have, and then we find it into columns, and then we made a plot to show how it was. So the observations was the histogram show both view count and like count and rescued, indicating the most. So the most viewed received moderate views and likes. So the videos which were viewed the most received a moderate number of views and likes, but which had a few views achieved a very high number of likes and comments and views. Sorry. This suggests a small number of population video drive the majority of views. The second observation that I made was the comment count on the histogram reveals the most videos uh, get very few comments, indicated that the viewers might prefer to watch without engaging. So a lot of times this can be seen with you as well. You go through a YouTube video, you watch it all the way, you don't interact with it. So this gap is made due to that. The second part, we plotted a bar plot, which revealed a significant variation of total views, likes, comments across different channels. Some channels consistently outperformed others, indicating that they have a stronger audience engagement and content appeal. The correction between total views and likes is evident, as channels with higher view counts also tend to receive more likes. However, the difference in comments count suggestions that the viewers are enjoying the content. So by the likes, we know that the viewer enjoy or dislike the content, which helps us a lot. The next part, what we did was we made another plot which showed us that there is a noticeable surge in the number of comments shortly after March. So after March 11, 2020, that the World Health Organization declared COVID-19 as a global pandemic. So the public engagement was really high, and the virus spread and lockdowns were introduced globally. Another increase in comments occurred in December 14, 2020. This was because of the first administration of COVID-19 vaccine, the first administration of that. This suggests that the vaccine related news significantly re-engaged the audience. So this re-engaged the audience a lot. And then in next part, we see that some publishers might show a wide distribution, indicating that the number of likes varies greatly across their parent comments. This could suggest that some videos or comments receive significantly more attention than others. And then in the next one, we see that some channels may show a peak in the density of plot at a particular time, so around 10 to 20 minutes, and then indicating the most replies made with the time frame with the original content comment. This suggests that rapid engagement from the viewers or the publishers. We also see that some channels might have a wide distribution, meaning that the replies happen over a large time range. So, not from minutes, but even days. This could imply less frequent engagement or varied responses times from different users. And in the next part, E1.6, we find out what are the 5 videos and with the highest ratio of likes to views. So the high engagement relative to views, the videos with a high like to view ratio may indicate that they have a particular engagement audiences, where viewers are most likely to like the video after viewing. So if there is a high like to view ratio, it would indicate that people like the video a lot after viewing it. And another one is the niche audiences. Videos with relatively no number of views, but a high like to like ratio could suggest that the video is engaging at a niche audience that is more likely to interact with the content. So they are more likely to interact with content. Moving on to E1.7. Actually, I did record the voice for this, but I think I messed it up. I did not open the mic. So for the next one, E1.7, if the plot shows that an upward, so if we plotted a plot, and if it shows an upward trend, it indicates that the video with longer comments tend to receive more likes. This could be because longer comments might indicate more detailed or engaged responses from the viewers, which could attract more likes. If there is no clear trend, scatter points are widely spread with no pattern. This suggests that the length of the comments does not have a significant effect on the like count. It could mean that the other factors, such as the content and the of the video of the audience size, have more influence of likes than comment length. Moving on to our next part. So here we see the most top 10 comments with the most replies. So after we input everything, we see that comments with the most replies are likely related to controversial or highly engaged topics. This happens to us as well. If we engage in a controversial topic or a highly controversial topic, it would we would have more engagement in it, because we need to represent our views and we have to argue with the others views. Videos that generate discussions tend to have more replies, which in turn boosts the number of replies and root comments. Pretty self-explanatory. Channels with a high number of replies might indicate that they have highly active audiences. Videos on the channel seem to spark controversial and debates, leading to high volume of replies. So more controversial, more replies, more engagement, as we see. And in the next part, we see that if we plot a bar graph and it is scattered with no significant pattern, it could suggest that the video duration does not have a strong impact on the average length of the comments. Viewers may leave comments of varying lengths regardless of how long the video is. So it does not matter how long the video is, the viewer is gonna comment, the viewer is gonna engage. The second observation that I made was, if the plot shows the trend where longer videos tend to have no longer comments, longer comments, it might suggest that the viewers engage more deeply with the longer videos, leading to more thoughtful and detailed content comments. So another observation which I have not written here is, like, if we watch a longer video, there is a lot of content that we consume and there is a lot of feedback that we have to give. So that might be another reason that the videos comments are so detailed. And another one could be just the observation that I wrote. And some channels might show a strong correlation between video durations and comment length, while others might not. This can indicate that the content style of the audience engagement varies between channels, affecting the nature of the comments. Pretty self-explanatory, that's as well. And I think this is the last one. So we if the scattered graph shows no significant pattern, it could suggest that the video duration does not have a strong impact on the average length of comments. Viewers may leave comments varying lengths regardless of how long the video is. It doesn't matter. The viewer does not engage according to that. If the bar plot shows a trend where longer videos have tend to have longer comments, it might suggest that the viewers engage more deeply with longer videos. Again, the same thing. I think I went too behind. I read the same thing twice. And wait. So yeah, this one we have already gone through. We'll go through this one. So if we see certain channels with steady increase in decrease in comments activity over time, a sudden spike or drop in comments could indicate the viral video or significant event. So there is a sudden spike or drop in comments. So the if spike in comments, that means the video went viral. By removing outliners, we ensure the visualization focuses on rather rare extreme cases. And the third one is if there are seasonal patterns. Certain 8 months show a higher or lower number of comments. This could indicate that the external factors such as holidays, news events. So there is a holiday, the tourism is good in Australia, people are coming in Melbourne, people are watching the hotel videos, so the comments will go up during the summertime. That would be September to March, and then there would be a drop. That means the holidays are gone. I wanted to make this video very long. We have just a little bit left, and then I'll go to the last two ones because this video is more than 11 minutes now. I'll just explain the last one. The median response time indicated by the central line in the box shows the typical time it takes to comment to be posted after a video is published for each channels with a high medium responses time, delayed engagement or slower video than contents. The second observation was the IQR. IQR is the width of the box, gives an indication of how consistent or variable the response times for each channel. A wider IQR suggests that a greater variability in the response times across comments with a narrower IQR indicates more consistency. Some channels might show the outline response in the which could indicate usual cases such as comments were made either much earlier or later than usual. These could be due to the technical issues or the timing of the video being uploaded. And the last observation is by comparing the box plots across channels, we can observe that the publishers have quicker or slower average comment response times. And that would be it for the video, I think. Oh, we have another one, we have another part. Oh my god, such a long assignment. I'm so sorry, I'm making this so long. Some channels might have a higher average number of videos published per week, indicated they have more active releasing content, while others publish less frequently. Channels with more consistent publishing schedule. So basically what I'm saying here is that channels which are consistently uploading with a duration of across weeks, or they have a spread out like they upload a video every Monday, would have a variation of engagement. So for the last one, that's it, and thank you for watching. I'll again tell you that please don't mark my video as complete and then incomplete. Fix and resubmit. It's really hard because I have other units as well. But thank you for watching. I won't make this any longer. Thank you so much. Hope this task gets approved. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. I'll see you.